Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. A lot of you have reached out to me and we've been talking about the marketplace and some of the challenges that you had. So that's why I thought it was important to send this video out. Now the challenges that you've been telling me that you've seen is that you're working with buyers and there's multiple offer situations out there and there's not enough inventory. That made me think about what we're facing as far as our corporate listing. So if you're on the corporate listing team for Cardis, you're getting this email just as a reminder to focus on your pricing when you're setting your pricing for your BMA. Now again, as a reminder, your BMA variance, and that's a measure of your accuracy, is the difference between what you say that property will sell for, this number here, and what it actually does sell for. Now with our multiple offer situation, that's putting more pressure on prices and causing those prices to go up. Now if we get more money than we put in this box over here, this field for our probable sales price, if it goes for higher than that price, we're still judged on our accuracy. And again, we want to be within 4%. So keep that in mind. The probability of having a multiple offer situation that drives that price up is higher in this kind of market. So keep that in mind when you're filling out this report. We want to be as accurate as possible so that we get more leads because of that accuracy. What I want to do is just pull up a quick calculation to show you how your BMA variance is calculated. So say you say the property is going to sell for $400,000 and it actually sells for $375,000. Take the difference between the two and that's $25,000. If we divide that $25,000 by the original $400,000 that we said the property will sell for, we see our BMA variance, if you move the decimal point over 2 spaces, is 6.25%. So that's how you calculate the BMA variance. So keep that in mind. The market putting pressure on prices and multiple offers driving those prices up will affect what that property sells for and thus our BMA variance. So keep that in mind when you're filling out those reports. Until next time, have a great day.